Hello students, today we will start with chapter 9, that is hydrogen. See the symbol for hydrogen, it is H. Atomic number of hydrogen, it is 1. Electronic configuration, it's 1s1. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes are the atoms of the same element having same atomic number but their masses are different. So there are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium, it has mass 1, deuterium has mass 2 and tritium, it has atomic mass 3. There are 2 allotropes of hydrogen. The first one is orthohydrogen, that is OH2, and next one is parahydrogen, PH2. Now see, still the position of hydrogen in the periodic table, it is uncertain because it shows its properties similar to alkali metals and that is group 17 halogens. So first we will see the properties of hydrogen which are similar to alkali metal. See, if we will see the configuration, hydrogen having atomic number 1, it has electronic configuration 1s1. Lithium, it has atomic number 3, sodium has 11 and potassium it has 19. So electronic configurations, if we will see 1s2, 2s1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, then this is 4s1. See, S1, S1, S1 and S1. If we'll see all this, it means that hydrogen, it should be placed here in the alkali metal series. Now formation of monopositive ion. Mono means plus 1 positive. Like hydrogen, if it will remove this electron, then hydrogen, it will form H plus ion. If lithium, it is having 2s1 electronic configuration, and lithium, it will lose that 1 electron, it will form Li plus. And sodium, in the similar way, it has electronic configuration 281. If it will lose this 1 electron, it will attain stability and it will also have Na plus ion. So here if you'll see the this hydrogen, it is forming monopositive ion which is similar to lithium and sodium. Now the next property is electropositive character. Hydrogen shows high electropositive character which is similar to alkali metal, which we have seen just now, and since they both can make H plus ion positive ion, it means during electrolysis they will be collected at the negative electrode, that is cathode, because they are forming positive ions. They will be collected at cathode, negative electrode. Valence and oxidation state, if we talk about, both can exist in plus 1 oxidation state. Valency will be plus 1. Affinity for non-metals, like alkali metals, hydrogen, it also possesses a strong affinity for non-metal. It can also form compounds with non-metals. Now reducing properties, like alkali metal, hydrogen is also a good reducing agent. Good reducing agent, they themselves get oxidized. Yes, like CuO is there, this hydrogen will reduce the CuO. It will change this CuO into Cu, that is copper, and oxidize itself and it will form water. In the same way, if we talk about potassium, then potassium will reduce this B2O3, boron oxide, and upon reducing, it will oxidize itself to form K2O. So these properties are similar of hydrogen. These are similar to the alkali metals. Now we will talk about the properties which are similar with halogens. See, if we talk about the electronic configuration, it is having electronic configuration 1s1. If it will have 1s2, then in that case it will have electronic configuration similar to helium, which is a noble gas. So it means to attain stability, it is needing 1 electron. And if we talk about chlorine also, then see, chlorine is having 3p5 electronic configuration. See, this electronic configuration we have not studied yet, so I'll tell you according to this only. It has electronic configuration 287. If it will gain 1 electron, then it will also attain the stable electronic configuration. Yes, so it means both of them are needing 1 electron each to attain stability. Atomicity, they both are diatomic. Atomicity means the number of atoms which are present in an elementary molecule. So this is an elementary molecule. Elementary means it is representing a single element. So H2, Cl2, F2, like this. So their atomicity is 2. They are diatomic. Formation of mononegative ions like Cl. To attain stability, it will gain an electron and it will change into Cl minus, that is chloride ion. In the same way, hydrogen having one electron, if it will gain one more electron, it will have two electron in its shell, K shell, and it will form hydride ion by gaining one electron, hydride negative ion. If we talk about ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom. So see, the ionization energies, they are given in kilojoule per mole. Of hydrogen it is 1310, of fluorine 16. See, it is having 1255, it is having 1121. So if we talk about the ionization energies, this hydrogen, it is having its ionization energy similar to these halogens. Next one is non-metallic nature. Similar to halogens, hydrogen is also a non-metal, and it is also a bad conductor of heat and electricity. So this property is also similar with the halogens. If we talk about liberation at anode, there we talked about the liberation at cathode, like H plus and Na plus, they both were liberating at cathode. Here, like negative ions, they liberate at anode. Yes, negative ion, they move towards the positive electrode. In compound like lithium hydride, Li plus H minus, Na plus H minus. So this H minus, it will move towards anode. So here it is its properties are similar to that of the halogens. Oxidation state, if we talk about, like sodium hydride is there, sodium chloride is there. In sodium hydride, Na is +1 and H is -1. Here Na is +1. This we are not considering, we have to consider this. H is -1 and Cl is also -1. So here if we see, both are having -1 oxidation state, this hydrogen also and this halogen also. Combination with metal. If hydrogen and chlorine, they will combine with sodium. Upon combining with sodium, it is forming NaH, it is forming NaCl. Similar type of compounds are formed. If they will combine with calcium, it will form CaH2, it will form CaCl2. Means similar type of compound they are forming when they are reacting with metals. And when they combine with non-metal like CH4, CCl4, SiH4, SiCl4, GeH4, GeCl4. So hydrides and halides, if we talk about, then hydrides and halides, they are similar. Type of hydrides and halides are formed here when these hydrogen and these chlorine atom, they are combining with non-metal, they are forming similar types of hydrides and halide. So according to these properties, this hydrogen, it has properties similar to both of alkali metals, that is group 1, and alkaline earth metal, that is group 17. So its position is still uncertain, and it is quite difficult to decide the exact position of hydrogen. So this was about the resemblance of the properties of hydrogen with alkali metals and halogens, and tomorrow we will study about the occurrence of hydrogen and its isotopes. Thank you.